show how to make popcorn. Into my saucepan, I'm gonna put butter and oil. I want to put medium heat and wait for butter start to bubble. Okay, nice and hot. Now time to put popcorn seeds. Just take a good stir. Then put the lid on. And wait for popping. Pop, 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 pop. I can't wait. Pop, 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 pop. I can't wait. Pop, 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 pop. Stop popping. Pop up, 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 pop up. Yay! Pop, pop. Wow! It smells good. I will to open it. Wow, it's very good. It's almost going to be. Wow, pop, pop.